And I text Ray real quick and I was like, come help. They've literally put themselves in the bins. So what I'm gonna do now, this is a fork set from our friends at LANDTOP. They sent me this. This is a perfect way to show this thing off. Forks are obvious, guys. They work or they don't. These work, they're super easy to swap out. And then the nicest thing about this little quick hitch system, and I say quick hitch, but it's like quick attach. You know, you just put it on, then you put your forks on. But what's great for us, it's got a 2-inch receiver, so I can put my receiver in here, and then I can move my trailer around because that's actually a really tight spot to get a trailer in. But with this tractor, it'll be even better or even easier. So these forks, you pull this pin, lean it forward, and you slide it down to this opening right here and it'll come right off. So hang on a minute, I'll swap it out. Oh, so close. Well, let's drop her down. I think we can just, a little more. Woo! Now we're cooking. If you're new here, welcome and howdy. If you're old here, welcome and howdy. This is my secondary channel to DOSS Farms. It's my wife and I's lovely 40 acres with our 3 boys. And we've decided to move our livestock guardian donkey into a larger pasture with the cows and move a bred donkey, Lucy, and her last year's filly to the smaller pasture. They're just more suited for it. And honestly, our guard donkey is a track star. He just needs more room. We had him over there because for a little bit we had goats and baby alpacas, but now that we've actually sold the goats, the alpacas are big enough to handle themselves. So we're just gonna swap them. Yeah, how cool is that? Really nice. I can move this trailer now much easier. I can get into these tight spots I'm going to back there. Much better. So let's get it into position.